Hello everyone, welcome to AI for All Nuts. Are you hearing about DeepSeek AI a lot nowadays? And if you are hearing it for the first time, then you have not watched my 2024 wrap-up video where I analyzed all models, including DeepSeek's R1 model, which was announced at that time. Please subscribe to my channel for latest AI updates that matter. Now that DeepSeek's R1 model has been released, it is wreaking havoc everywhere in the world. Here is why it is a big deal. DeepSeek's R1 model is built at a fraction of the cost that OpenAI's O1, Meta's Llama models cost. It just costed $6 million compared to hundreds of billions of dollars these companies claim to be spending on training and model inference. Now, not only the cost, the quality of this chatbot seems to be on par with these latest models. It showed up as the number 4 best model on lmarena.ai as of this recording time. How did they do it? Okay, imagine you're teaching a robot to think. Like in a movie. Usually, people teach robots by giving them lots of examples of the right answers, kind of like showing them flashcards. And that's how the other models have been trained, using supervised learning. But DeepSeek R1 does things a little bit differently, using something called reinforcement learning. Well, reinforcement learning is not new, but the way they have implemented it here is what is innovative. Reinforcement learning is like teaching a dog tricks. You give it rewards for doing something right, and you don't give the rewards when it is not doing the right thing. In addition to reinforcement learning, DeepSeek uses a special way of figuring out what is good. It looks at how well a group of ideas work together instead of just one idea. This saves time and energy. In essence, DeepSeek R1 is like teaching a robot to think by letting it explore, then giving it some help to make its thinking clear, and making sure it keeps getting better by itself. It's different because it focuses on the robot's own learning journey instead of just giving it all the answers at once in the form of supervised learning. What is the impact of all this? Well, companies like NVIDIA have been touting that training and inference of high-end AI models will need their high-end chips, and they will cost a lot of money. But DeepSeek is saying, nah, you don't need those high-end chips to train great models. So, will companies stop buying NVIDIA's chips for their data centers? What happens to all the big data centers that the hyperscalers like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft were planning to build? What happens to exclusive model providers such as OpenAI, Meta, Anthropic? Do they have to cut their prices? What about their ability to raise more capital? These are the burning questions that are causing ripples, and we don't have an answer yet. Now, who will gain from this? Companies that build apps such as Perplexity will definitely benefit from this. They can get cheaper and competitively priced models for their apps. I think cloud businesses such as Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services, who serve open source models to customers, will just start offering DeepSeek AI as well. And yes, it will impact their margins, but they stand to gain from this momentum. Please subscribe, like, and leave your comments on how you think DeepSeek AI will change the industry. See you next time.